Okay, let's talk about plural. 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 In English, more than one plural. More than one plural. More than one plural. Okay, I can say I have an apple. I have an apple. That means one apple. One apple. Okay, more than one apple. I put S at the end of the word, like apples. 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 One book. More than one books. 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 Okay. One door. More than one. More than one. Doors. Doors. So in most words we add S. In most words we add S. Okay. When I put ES. امتى احط ES? When I put ES at the end of the word. We add ES to words ending with S. ES, SH, CH, O, or X. In this case, I put ES. I put ES, like a bus. A bus. A bus. More than one ES, buses. 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 A box. A box. A box. More than one. Boxes. 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 Okay. The third case we have IES. IES. Anas, when I put IES, if the word ends with Y and before it a consonant. Before it a consonant. Okay. In this case, I delete Y and put IES. IES. Like a baby. A baby. Okay, the plural form of this word, babies. 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 Okay, and the fourth one, VES. VES. When I put VES, if the word ends with F or FE. F or FE. In this case, I delete F or FE and put VES, like knife, knives, knife, knives, knife, knives. Okay. And the last one, irregular plural, a foot. A foot. The plural form of this word, feet. Feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. Okay. Child. 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 A child, children. A child, children. A tooth, teeth. A tooth, teeth. A tooth, teeth. Okay, so we have S, ES, IES, VES, and irregular plural. Please study well, okay?